Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about something we're all searching for. Happiness. We see it everywhere online. Perfect vacations, fancy dinners, new cars. And it's easy to think, if I just had that, I'd be happy. But is that what real, lasting happiness is? Or is it just a fleeting moment of pleasure? I think many of us chase these external things, hoping they'll fill a void, only to find that the feeling fades, and we're right back where we started, looking for the next big thing. The truth is, genuine happiness isn't something you find outside of yourself. It's something you cultivate within. It's not about getting everything you want, but about appreciating everything you have. Think about it. When was the last time you truly savored a simple moment, like the warmth of the sun on your skin, the taste of your morning coffee, or a genuine laugh with a friend? These small, everyday joys are the real building blocks of a happy life. We're often so busy rushing toward the future that we completely miss the beauty of the present. So, how do we start building this inner happiness? A powerful first step is practicing gratitude. It sounds simple, I know, but it's a game changer. At the end of each day, try writing down just 3 things you were grateful for. They don't have to be monumental. Maybe it was a compliment from a coworker, a song you love coming on the radio, or just the comfort of your own bed. This simple act retrains your brain to focus on the positive, to see the abundance that's already in your life instead of focusing on what's missing. Over time, you'll find your entire perspective shifting from a mindset of scarcity to one of abundance. Another key is connection. We are social creatures, hardwired for community. In our hyperdigital world, it's easy to feel connected through screens, but it's not the same as real, face-to-face interaction. Nurturing your relationships is like watering a garden. It requires effort, but the rewards are immense. Call that friend you've been meaning to catch up with. Plan a dinner with your family. Join a local club or group that shares your interests. These authentic connections provide support, love, and a sense of belonging that no amount of money can buy. They remind us that we're not alone on this journey. And finally, let's talk about purpose. This doesn't mean you need to go out and save the world, unless you want to. Purpose can be found in your work, your hobbies, in being a good parent, or a reliable friend. It's about finding something that is meaningful to you, something that makes you feel like you're contributing to something larger than yourself. It's that feeling of flow. When you're so engaged in an activity that time just flies by. What makes you feel alive? What are your unique talents? Lean into those things. Living a life aligned with your values and passions is one of the most direct paths to deep, sustainable happiness. It's not a destination you arrive at, but a continuous, beautiful journey of growth. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope this gives you some food for thought on your own path to happiness. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.